Everyone, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to this YouTube channel once again, and today we are going to have very interesting topic, which is objection handling. If you are the salesperson, if you are the business owner, you know very well how many objections you have face every day. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because end of this video I'm going you to share one important tips as well. So in this video I'm going you to give the framework of Jack Crew, who is a very famous author, and he has given one very famous framework called L.A.E.R. L.A.E.R. And each word is going to have very important meaning, and that is something I'm going you to cover in this video. Number one is L. L means listening. Very important, and I always emphasize to all my mentees to listen careful. Listen is not just the hearing. You need to listen and you need to allow listening to go inside. And when you do that, then only your client is going to give all important informations with you. Second word is acknowledge. Once you listen, you need to acknowledge your clients. Yes, you heard it and you are with them. Okay, you need to acknowledge them. You need to show them, yes, you are with them, and that we call empathy as well. So make sure you listen them, you acknowledge them. Then third word will come, and that is the explore. You need to explore all the reasons by asking right question. You need to ask more and more deep level of question, probing question. You cannot have just surface level of question, because if you just ask surface level of questions, they are not going to give you the deep level of information. And it, as a salesperson, it's your responsibility to have enough exploring things with you. You have the right method to explore all related information. Last word will come, and that is the respond. After following first three alphabets, listen, explore and acknowledge, you need to go to the respond. And this respond, you need to have the appropriate answers ready with you. In case if things are not ready with you, you can take time, but you cannot confuse them by your answer, because if you confuse them, you are going to lose them. So don't confuse them. Tell them the exact reason that's why they are facing this pain or problem, and make sure you responded them very well. And in case if you are not ready, take time. There is no problem on that. So this is the L.A.E.R. framework. And as I mentioned at the beginning, I'm also going you to give the tip. And that tip is, if your client is raising objections, that means they are still interested. Do you think if somebody is not interested in your product or service, they are going to raise objection? Of course not. So if somebody is raising objections, means they are interested in your product and service, and they are giving you the chance to give them more information about your product and service. So take this as opportunity and tell them more about your product and service. And hope you got some value from this video. And if you found, please like. And another thing I would like to tell you, if you found somebody really need this information, please don't forget to share this video link with them. So see you in another video. Till that time, take care of yourself and stay happy.